Hey, this is Coach Micheal Burt, the Super Coach. Over the last really 25 years of my life, I've been coaching people to get higher levels of production, specifically through the whole person theory of tapping into the knowledge, the skill, the desire, the confidence of people. I'd like to invite you to a free session with me, complimentary session on how to grow your business by as much as 50% in a one-year cycle through our Monster Growth Selling System on September 3rd at the Greatness Factory. I believe everybody needs a good coach in their life. I believe a good coach can change their life. And I believe those that have a coach earn 3 and 4 times the amount of money than those that don't. Maybe you got the raw talent. Maybe you got the potential. And the only thing you've been missing is a good coach. Come September 3rd, spend some time with me. And let me show you a system that can get an immediate lift in your business. I'm coaching some of the top insurance people in the world, some of the top insurance companies in the world. And I'll show you the system I've been using for years to double and triple their production. I'm Coach Micheal Burt. I'll see you September 3rd.